So we made it to the trail. You can look at my hair. Woo! Look at those beautiful rocks. Cliffs and beautiful Lake Mead. Coming closer here. Woo, check out that tunnel. What a workout. What a view. It's kind of dark in here in these tunnels. Check it out. There's another one coming. Okay, made it through the second tunnel. Okay, that's where we came from. Third tunnel. Woo! Coming through. Look at the ceiling on that. I guess this is where the trains went through to, ship supplies and stuff to build the Hoover Dam. The marina at Lake Mead. And a fourth tunnel now. What is this, tunnel number 5 or 6? There's no light at the end. Oh, there it comes. Wow, so much work. The Delaware Railroad Trail, open on daylight hours. It looks like we're coming up to Hoover Dam. So it looks like just behind this, there's the Hoover Dam. Got a restroom for you here. Emergency phone call place. Entering Bureau of Reclaimed Property. No firearms. What in the world? Shortcut, huh? Look at the power lines buzzing. It's making power. Look at all those. Let's go. Keep going on the descent. Okay, getting closer. Look at all these power lines and stuff. Whoa, what is that? Whoa, are these the turbines? Dang, look at this. Ilya! Ilya! Look at this. Is that stainless steel? Man, magnificent. Look at this. Whoa, those are all buzzing. Wow. Huh. That's power. Low blast. What is that? It's kind of weird. Well, there it is. Look at those Dodge Rams, huh? Pretty sweet. Flying helicopters out here. Wow, what a view. Just beautiful. There's the river. And There's the dam. Whoa. Crazy. Look at this. Interesting. Whoa, look at that down there. Crazy. How about down there? Woo! Oh my goodness, look at all that power. Look at all that power. Insane. Here we are, standing on it. Whoa, that's freaky. We could just roll a coin down there. But it's probably gonna be, yeah. I think that could get you in trouble. Beautiful view. Wow, look at that hole. That's insane. It's on the other side of this. Dang. They're ready. It's ready for some water. But it's not here. That's insane. Imagine skateboarding down there. You could go loop, de-loop, de-loop. Dang, that's like 100 feet, right? More than 100 feet. I mean, look, from here to there is what? That's like, yeah, it's like 100 feet. Insane. There's the spillway. Hasn't been used. Hasn't been kind of go up there for 40 years. Okay, this is probably not the best idea. Woo. But we gotta do that. Давай, Илья. Let's see you come down. Come on, I already made it. We gotta get back before sunset. Yeah, now we're hiking with our bikes. Whew. This is rough. It's a long way. Did I tell you I don't recommend this? We should have died. But we're pretty close to the road, so just got to get down a little bit. And we're there. You gonna make it? I'm almost there. Like I said, don't try this at home. They should have had a better trail here. Yeah, we made it before the sunset. There it is. Woo! The Hoover Dam. Wow. Amazing. All right, we haven't seen it from this place before. Look at that. Look, there's like a boat over there. This is mile 0. Yeah, man, it's crazy. Hoover Dam. I don't even want to get close to that. It's scary. It's really windy too. Okay, back to Nevada. Ilya decided to take a steep shortcut. We took the long one, but we can do a shortcut here too. Let's beat him. Almost got him. He's just a little bit ahead. Whew. Beautiful. It's a long way back. I don't know how many more tunnels we gotta go, but almost there. The worst is that long walk, huh?
No, it's alright.
Nah? He's lying. The view's incredible. Did I say the view from here is incredible? Let me just look at that. Okay, up the hill and finally back. It's called Hoover Dam Lodge. What a workout. What an exhausting workout. Beautiful place. I'm sure, yeah, high five, we made it. What a journey. How many miles is it? So it says 2.7 miles that we went to Hoover Dam, but we went on this off-road trail. It might have been more, but we went all the way over there. We went like 4 miles and then back. We did like 8 miles off-road. How far is that? That says 7 miles. Wait, that's not 7 miles. Anyways, it's like 4 miles there, 4 miles back. So 8 miles we did off-road, up and down, uphill and down.